Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a grungy Valentine's Day makeup look, or like an anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. So I did this before. I'll link that video down below, and I really liked it. And because Valentine's Day is coming up, I was like, I'm a little bit bitter that I don't have a Valentine. I mean, I do have a Valentine. I have like a friend's Valentine and then also like a sister Valentine, and that's the best kind of Valentines to have. So I'm really not that bitter. I just wanted to do something a little bit more on the grungy side, just in case you like Valentine's Day but you're more of like a grungy girl or like an anti-Valentine's Day type girl. This is for you. So if you guys want to see my grungy Valentine's Day makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I didn't quite know what I was gonna do, so I just went off camera and did this eye, and this is what it's looking like. So let's just get started with the tutorial. So first I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer, and then I'm gonna take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I'm just gonna take that on this fluffy brush and just set my eyelid with that. And the two palettes I'm going to be using are the Saharian by Juvia's Place and the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So first we're gonna take Katsina from the Saharian palette and just put that into the crease and blend it out. And now I'm gonna take Sakota, which is like the red shade from that palette, and put that into my outer corner, but also blend it into the crease. And now we're going to take the Warrior 2 palette and we're going to take Janata, I think I'm saying that right, which is like a burgundy shade in that palette, and put that into the crease. And now I'm going to take Walzana from the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm just going to put that on my outer corner. I'm also going to put that in my inner corner, creating a halo eye. And I'm going to go back in with the Saharian palette, and I'm going to take Chad, which is the darkest shade, which is like a black shade, and put that on the outer corner as well. And also blend that into the crease, and also put that on the inner corner as well. And I'm gonna take the M124 brush with a little bit of concealer on it and just cut a halo eye. I'm gonna take Borrow on a flat brush and put that where I put the concealer, which is like a shimmery burgundy shade. And then on a smaller brush, I'm gonna take Iman, which is a white shimmer shade, and put that in the middle. And I'm gonna really quickly do my foundation routine. I have a foundation routine video. I'll link that down below because I feel like it's a really good foundation routine. My foundation routine is top notch, so I'm just gonna go and do that really quickly and then come back with you guys to do my under eyes. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and did my foundation, and now we're gonna do my under eyes. I feel like I look very like raw, like vampire-y, but that's okay because this is supposed to be like a vampy like look. So let's just do the under eyes. So first on this Ben Nye FB3 brush, I'm gonna take Chad. I'm gonna put that under my eye. And then on a M506 brush, I'm gonna take Sakota, which is that red shade, and just blend that out. Okay, and now for lips, I'm gonna take the Glam Light Ghost Face Lip Kit. Now I'm gonna go off camera and put on some lashes, and then I'll come back with you guys with the finished look. Okay guys, so I just put on like a really big lash. I don't know, I just felt like it went with the look. This is the finished super grungy anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's pretty cute. There's something that I'm not too fond about it. Like, I think it's cute. It's just really, really, really vampy. And like, I don't know if I wanted it to be this vampy, but I still like it. I still think it's pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe if you like me, if you like makeup. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by April 18th, which is my birthday, or by the end of the year, whichever. Fingers crossed for April, but you know, we're just trying to work up to 500 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.